Hello guys, this is Panda. I said that, and my daughter said that Panda. Okay, so this is Panda 56 MG W2 washing machine. It's pretty good and it's a big capacity. If you see that, it's 1.6 cubic feet and in a kilogram is 5 kilogram with the steel tub, right? And it's come with the two thing. One is the pipe. This pipe is not long enough, so I not use this one. And it's come with the tab holder. You can remove the filter of the your tab and connect to the tab right behind that tab, but this is not good. So what can I do it? I use the regular garden hose to connect the washing machine in my apartment. So what I need, one of the garden hose, right? Most of the people said that garden hose not working in the washing machine, but I use that the regular garden hose. What tool you needed? I show you. I connect with my shower. This machine. This machine is pretty good. If you see that, to the side, is come with the hose. This called rain hose, right? You can put to the this hose in anywhere, in the sink, tub, wherever you want to be throw the water, right? This is good. So but the problem is this is not a long enough. And if I go to the Home Depot, Walmart, Lowe's, right, these pipes cost too much. So if I get that the 6 feet pipe is near about $10 cost, right? That I don't want it because I want to put this washing machine 10 to 15 feet away from my house, right? But not directly. If I use my pipe, it's almost 20 feet. So I don't want to be spend that much money, but I want a good result. So what can I do? I take the one adapter that's 3 by 4, right, and connect to the this hose. This rubber is very soft. You can easily put this adapter to this. If I show you this adapter closely from here, you can come here and look at that. This type of adapter, the same part is other side. You can easily find on the hardware side on the Home Depot. It's cost like a $3 to $4, right? And one clip. So it's not a low, but it's pretty tight. It's not a move up. So I show you how I connect with my shower. Come to this side. This is my shower. It's a little bit messy. This bathroom. This is my shower. So I already connect my pipes, right? So what you need for connectors? You need a half-inch supply. When I go there, get them from the Home Depot, I am confusing that. For the supply, you need to be a half-inch or pipe. Garden hose is normally 3 by 4 inch, right? So you get that 3 by 4 inch. It's not only this machine connected by 3 by 4 inch supply. What are you talking about 3 by 4? This supply, the pipe from going to the inward supply to the machine is 3 by 4. So how we connect it, I show you. All these supplies from here, this is the shower head, right? From here is half-inch supply. So I need all the thing to connect these. This is half-inch. So what you get that half-inch supply to be connected all this shower. So it's not bother that your shower and whatever. It's complicated first time, but it's after when you get that the thing, it's very easy. What you need to be connected, 1T half-inch. Make sure all size is half-inch this side, half-inch this side, half-inch this side. This come in the PVC, so I get the PVC because PVC is the lighter, right? You can get that the iron, copper, brass, whatever you like it. Over there is so many options, but get that the half-inch T, right? Thereafter, you need a 3.5-inch nipple. So I get 1/2 inch nipple. If you see that this part, right? This part, this is called nipple. So is a washer on the both side. You connect that the T to this part, this part to this part, right? Shower, and also with this one, this tab. So I connected two tab, right? This one for my shower, this one for the garden hose, right? If you can come from this side, I will show you.
I need to wash my butt.
This tab, the regular tab, and if you see that 1/2 inch still tag there, 1/2 inch, right? Silk cord value. Some people say that as shut off value, some people say that tab, right? Whatever you need it, get it. So, and this tab for the garden hose. So I connected both of this. First I connected remove my shower. After remove my shower from here, right? This one before that from here, everybody know that. Whatever shower you have that, remove it from here, right? Thereafter you connect the T, right? And you can easily connect it, not that hard. Connect that, put that the one nipple here, and connect it. But thereafter shut off value tab, whatever you call that, connect it, right? And thereafter this is the for my shower. If I want to be use my shower, you can use from here, right? Just like a normal tab, right? If your machine is on, you don't want that water spilled off, right? Just off from here, right? If you need that, you can on from here. And your regular tab, just like a normal shower, you can work anything like that. If you want to be safe, I showed that how the tab is working. Something bottom. Look at that. I just switch on my water, right? Just move it, right? If you see in the up, right? This is whole connected with the 1/2 inch supply. Nothing tab is working. Simon, fine. If I open this tab, you see the water from coming here, right? I don't want to be open that much, so it's messy because I never connect my tab. And if I need a shower, I put my hand shower, just open the tab from here. See, it's working.
I need to wash my
If I close, if I close, right, my shower is not working. So whatever I needed now is everything is connected. I can use that. Or if I want to be just a close, just like normal, I close it. So this is the fitting of the washing machine. So one more question. Most of the people said that, and I see that so many online video that they said that garden hose is not connected with the machine. You can connect it. What you need it? You need to be go on the Home Depot. Get this thing, metal double female adapter. All the thing you need, metal double female adapter. With this, just like that, you connect right here. You stab it, and now your machine is ready to be connect with the garden hose, right? So how you connect it, I show you a quick tutorial. I get the regular garden hose this type. This is cheaper. This is not too much. This one 50 feet garden hose, right? And I get from the Walmart is $10. That's cheap, right? And this adapter is only cost at the $2 or $3. Whatever you need it, you can get it, right? And it's easy connected. Just There's a two tabs, so two connector. One is to the machine and one is to the hoses. You just connect from here. Look at that. Tight enough so it's not loose. If it's not loose, it's not a leak from here, right? And this connector is very good. It's not a leakage from any side, so it's good for your machine. If you get that the regular machine hoses, all machine hoses are same. It does not matter it's portable machine hose. It does not matter your big machine hoses. All the hoses are same. Their supply is 3x4, right? And this supply is 3.42. But the pipe is short, that's why we need to this one. So it does not matter which machine you want to be connected, all the machines are same. You need a 3.4 connector supply, and this is the 3.4 connector. And regular hoses is also 3.4 connector. Garden hoses is cheaper, but they made like that, you never connected the machine. But if you have this connector, right, the name I showed at is metal double female adapter. If you have a metal double female adapter, this one you easily find from the garden side, right? And where the hoses is, and if you want to be see the code number, you can put this number and get from the online, right? And we already connected one side of the machine with the hoses, right? Now I connect with the other side. So now with the tab you easily connect that. This tab is specially designed for the garden hoses, right? So it's never loose from here and never leak, right? So my machine is connected now, right? Both sides. So I just need to be open the tab, right? I open it, right? If you see it, I open my tab. This tab not need if you connect your machine every time, right? So just open this tab. You never need to be a shut off anytime. Anytime you need to be a give the supply, just do that like the normal shower, right? Just from here, just open the tab, put that on, and your supply is going to the machine, right? So whatever water level, hot, cold, you adjust from the just like a normal shower, and your supply is your machine is ready to be used. If you need a shower, just use this switch, and you can access your shower too, right? So that's why I put that, and it's all connected with a 1/2 inch supply. So my machine is ready to be used. I get my machine up to the 50 feet, right? So this is long enough for the anybody. You can put that 150, 200 feet, whatever you needed, 300 feet, right? I think so. Nobody put that the 300 feet, 50 feet enough for the everyone, right? So my machine is now ready to use. So all I need to be do, just plug in. So I need a long extension. I just get that within a few seconds.
Papa. Oh, you couldn't take it for long.
I get the longer extension, right? That I get from the Walmart, whatever store you like it. Connected, and your machine is ready to use.
Into the air.
And connect with the supply, right? So I show you how to VA is going to work. This is the old point that I needed. If you see it, water is not leakage from here, right? I already give the supply to this machine. This connector is very good, so never leak in the supply. So just need to be check the water is that coming on this machine. I just switch on my machine, If you see that, is showed at 5L. What is the meaning of 5L? Is showed at 5L mean water level. So is used at regular washing 5 water machine 5 level of the water, right? If you want to be a increase the water level, just tab on this button 6L, you can increase the water level up to the A, or if you want a less water to be washed at 1L. So how to use that is very simple. Just switch on and start, right? And if you see that the water is coming, right, but I never used that. So that how you need to be a machine, connect the machine. I connect my machine up to the 50 feet, right? So if you connect your machine as a longer, right, just like me, so definitely you need to be a drain supply longer, right? So if I go for the, I already told you guys, if I go to the Home Depot, Lowe's, right, their water supply, their hoses, drain hoses are very expensive. So what can I do it? I get the simple garden pipes, right? So I get the 3x4. It's called adapter, right? Female adapter. You can get that from there. The pipe, garden pipe.
Wait.
So give to me. My daughter want to be help me. That's why I told her, right? She want that to be get in the video. So if you see here the light duty garden hose, right? Whatever the garden hose you can connect it, it does not matter. And their connector is 3x4. Make sure most of the garden hose and machine hoses connector is 3x4. What I just need to be connect this connector to here. If you see that, it does not matter. You need to be just drain the water, right? This water is a little bit dirty, but it's water. So now my drain hose is ready to up to the drain 50 feet, right? So I get my drain up to the 50 feet. So this is how you connect the Panda Pan 56 MGW2 machine. All the machines are same, right? This hoses supply, the water inlet hoses supply is 3x4, right? And this is 1-inch supply. Most of the machines are the same. It does not matter you get the regular machine, it does not matter you get the portable machine. All the machine hoses are same. So all you need, if you want to be connect with the shower, you need a 1/2-inch supply, right? What you need a 1/2-inch T, you need a 3 nipple, you need a 2 tab, right? One tab give the supply to the 1/2 inch to the 3x4, right? And the other is 1/2 to 1/2 inch. So you can connect the with the shower and tab. That's the quick tutorial how you connect your machine, and your machine is ready to be used. Enjoy the video.
Bye.